Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 14, How to Overcome Fear. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy explains how to overcome fear and replace it with faith using the incredible power of your subconscious mind. Dr. Murphy teaches that fear is a negative emotion that holds us back from achieving our full potential. When you focus on fear, your subconscious mind magnifies it, causing you to feel stuck or unable to move forward. But here's the good news. You can change that. To overcome fear, Dr. Murphy suggests using affirmations. For example, when you feel fear arising, say to yourself, "I am calm, confident, and courageous. Fear has no power over me." As you repeat this, your subconscious mind begins to shift, and the fear starts to dissolve. Additionally, visualize yourself acting fearlessly in the situation that scares you. Imagine yourself moving through it with confidence and strength, knowing that you are capable. Remember, fear is a product of your thoughts. By changing your thoughts to focus on courage and positivity, your subconscious mind will help you conquer your fears. That's the end of Chapter 14. In Chapter 15, we'll explore how to use the power of your subconscious to attract abundance into your life. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next empowering chapter.